Hi everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me in another recipe. I'll be showing you how to make chicken paprikash. Chicken paprikash is a Hungarian dish that is made with chicken. The chicken is cooked in a paprika infused sauce for a lengthy period of time. This is so delicious and you're going to love it. Stick around and let's make it together. You're going to start by seasoning your chicken. So I've got 6 pieces of chicken thighs here. So I'm just going to season this with some black pepper powder. That was a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Also season this with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you can toss this for the seasoning to coat the chicken. Place a medium-sized skillet on high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of lard. You can also use butter. Once the fat has melted, bring in the seasoned chicken thighs. Pan-sear the chicken on one side for 4 minutes. Flip over to the other side and pan-sear for another 4 minutes. Your aim isn't to cook the chicken all through, you just want it to be a little bit brown. And once the chicken is lightly brown on all sides, you can remove this to a dish. Add 1 cup of chopped onions to the same pan and saute for 2 minutes. Once your onion is slightly golden, go in with 3 minced garlic cloves. Saute this for 30 seconds. You can also go in with 1 small diced green pepper and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Fresh tomatoes can be used as well. Now stir this together and cook this for 3 minutes on medium heat. Once you are sure your tomato is cooked, you can reduce the heat to a very low setting and then go in with your paprika. So I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika and a tablespoon of regular paprika. Traditionally, Hungarian paprika is used for this recipe. If you don't have that on hand, make sure to use a very fresh and fragrant paprika for that authentic flavored chicken paprikash. Before stirring, you can add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You want to make sure you maintain a very low heat while cooking your paprika, otherwise it's going to scorch and it will taste really bitter. You can bring in the chicken back again and with all the drippings in the dish. Go in with 1½ cup of chicken broth. You can also use plain water if you don't want to use chicken broth. You can just stir everything together, allow the chicken to soak in all the juices. Now cover this and bring to a boil for 40 minutes. Be sure to stir this from time to time. Our chicken has been simmering in the rich sauce for the past 40 minutes on low heat. So you make sure to turn the chicken over, that way they will be fully immersed in the sauce. At this point, I'm just going to remove the chicken again from the sauce. Next, we are going to dissolve our sour cream and add to the sauce. So here is 1 cup of sour cream. To it, add 1½ tablespoon of plain flour. Add a little water to this to dissolve it. So you make sure you whisk this until you have a very smooth paste. Once you have gotten that, pour it into the sauce. I just turn off the heat before adding this to prevent lumps from forming. You can now whisk this to dissolve in the sauce. You can turn on the heat again and return the chicken back into the sauce. At this point, you can test for salt and pepper. You can add any of these if necessary. Now cover this again and cook for a couple of minutes until the sauce thickens up. So after cooking your chicken paprikash for a couple of minutes and you are happy with the taste and consistency of the stew, you can garnish this with some chopped parsley and turn off the stove. Your delicious chicken paprikash is ready. This is an easy one-pan Hungarian chicken recipe that can be paired with egg noodles. You can even serve it over whatever you have in mind. This is so easy to make. I hope you try it out and let me know down below what you think about it. You can give me a thumbs up if you like the video and also share it with your friends. And please remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill. You can hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. I love to see you again. Bye for now.